Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If I was to pick one video that is very important that I have uploaded on my YouTube channel so far, then it would be this particular video. You know why? Because in this video I am going to tell you how can you develop a growth mindset. Now what is a growth mindset? A growth mindset is a mindset that facilitates growth in any sphere of life. A growth mindset has to be consciously cultivated. Now if I ask y'all, does your mindset promote growth in your personality? Does it help you to embrace new opportunities, help you learn and grow? Are you an open-minded person? Are you open to new ideas? Then you'll immediately respond, yes, I am an open-minded person. But in real life, when you're presented with new opportunities, you will either agree or disagree quickly based on your past knowledge. Now this quick agreeing or disagreeing on something is not a symbol of a growth mindset. A person whose mindset is cultivated in the form of growth will allow this new idea to sink inside completely, comprehend that idea, and then make a practical application out of it. He will use his or her past knowledge and also understand the nuance or the newness of the idea. When these two things, that your past knowledge, your new comprehension goes hand in hand, growth happens. That is why I said growth mindset has to be consciously cultivated. Just like a farmer plows his field before sowing seeds, in order to provide optimal condition for the seed to grow and reach its maximum potential. Similarly, we are going to cultivate our mindset in order to experience growth in every sphere of life. Now, how to do this? You can skip to the end of the video and find a comparison table where I have listed qualities of a growth mindset and qualities of a fixed mindset. Now, you will observe none of us follow in the black or white area of complete growth mindset or complete fixed mindset. We all lie in the gray area. That means we have qualities of some growth mindset qualities and some of fixed mindset qualities. Now, in order to cultivate growth, we are going to replace the fixed mindset qualities by growth mindset qualities. Taking an example of listening. A person with a growth mindset will listen in order to understand the speaker's point of view completely. Before agreeing or disagreeing with what he or she is saying, the person will allow the knowledge to sink inside, to process it, to see whether it is aligning with the prior knowledge or not, what nuances that idea is bringing on the table, and then respond from a point of understanding. This is one of the example of growth mindset. The second thing is, what are some qualities that fixed mindset people can easily identify that my mindset is more of on the fixed side? You're afraid of change. You just want to defend yourself so that you don't have to challenge your own beliefs and ideas. Now, beliefs play a very important role while going from a fixed mindset to a growth mindset. What is a belief? Belief is an idea or thought that you have validated as a person. Since we are growing up, we have validated many beliefs consciously or unconsciously. We have to question those beliefs, especially when we are young or adults, that are these beliefs serving me anymore or are these beliefs limiting me? So please go to the table and see the qualities of fixed mindset and how you can replace this with the qualities of growth mindset. Now, growth mindset takes a lot of practice. Always when you are aware that you're exhibiting the qualities of a fixed mindset person, then remind yourself that it has to be replaced with the growth mindset qualities. If I talk about each and every quality, then this video will become very long. That's why I'm stopping at this particular point in time. You can contact me on Instagram if you want more clarity on any of the point that is mentioned in the comparison table. Thank you and have a nice day.